Guys, sorry it took so long to make the Toothless and Light Fairy 4th July picture slideshow. I obviously forgot that I have pictures of Toothless and Hiccup together. If they're pictures of Toothless and Hiccup together, but it still has fireworks in it. Anyway, that being said, just enjoy and just that I know it took so long for me to make this because well, the internet was being stupid, and that's why my device wasn't working, and that's why I couldn't make a video today. Anyway, we're back. Hopefully the internet won't be difficult again. If it does, I'm gonna be totally mad because it kind of does this whenever it's not responding, whenever my device says, I'm sorry, I'm having trouble responding right now. Yeah, we get this most time. Depends if my device doesn't work or respond. Or whenever it turns, red or something like that. Anyway, that being said, just enjoy and just it's not much pictures on here. It's just a few, but it doesn't matter because it's still 4th of July on it, even though that I haven't done one yet because I was kind of busy and all that, tired, exhausted, helping and all that. Even go see the fireworks in 4th of July. Yeah, sorry about that. And after we went to see the fireworks, we were expecting to see a train going by. Oh, that's right. I'll tell you on my chat about the train because I forgot about that. Anyway, just enjoy. Alexa, play Katy Perry Fireworks.
Here's Firework by Katy Perry on Amazon Music.
Do you ever feel like a plastic bag drifting through the wind, wanting to start again? Do you ever feel so paper thin, like a house of cards, one blow from caving in? Do you ever feel already buried deep, 6 feet under screens, but no one seems to hear a thing? Do you know that there's still a chance for you, 'cause there's a spark in you? You just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just